excited, boy. It's gonna be a good night, I can tell it. I think as soon as that sun goes down, we put on the top water and I think they'll start crushing it. Got it. Nice. Woohoo! Ain't that a score? Oh yeah. You got your top water on? This is the time to over in this spot. Over here and all along this side is you need that top water on. Got it. Gotcha, boy. That's what makes it fun. When those explosions happen and you don't know where it is or why, which way you should reel. Got it. Oh. Yeah. Got it? On the top water? Yeah. I told you. You're gonna get addicted, bro. What happens is those ones that are usually shy during the daytime, especially in this real clear water, they get super comfortable at night, so they come out and they start smashing. So I'm working this edge where I know on this whole area right here, it's real shallow near the bank. We're about 5 feet and then there's a huge drop off. And I'm trying to stay right on that edge of where it drops off and it's shallow. And I retrieve it just enough to create a wake. It's a balance of being slow enough that they can figure out what it is and go after it, but enough noise to find it in the dark. Oh, I smell bass. Sometimes you can just smell it. Oh! A big one came off. That sucks. Oh man. Hooks are bit. Got it. Oh man. Holy cow, a big one. Yeah, nice one. Oh yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that's 16 inches. Oh yeah. About medium. Just enough to create a wake. You know what I mean? And then if I have a live target, I reel it real slow. But what I do is I pop it like pop, 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 so that it's like kind of like jumping up and down as it moves. That way they can find it, but I'm retrieving it slow so they can hook up on it. Hey, when we get over here, we should both sit in this corner so that we can work from the right all the way to the left and we won't cross each other's lines. Let's both get in this corner right here because this is a good spot we're about to get on. And if we both get in the corner and we face those trees, we won't cross each other's lines. A lot of this over here is about to be real shallow, and so there's a good chance they'll hit it. Right in front of you right there, it'll drop down to like 10 feet. And there's been a few times when I'm reeling in, I was on the edge and right at the boat, a big 3-pounder came up and smashed it. Oh, see? I told you right there, dude. Told you, dude. That's a good one. Is it that big lucky one? Yeah. It's fun, huh?
Yeah, I didn't even see nothing. I just felt it.
Well, what's kind of weird is they're hitting it low. Usually they're loud, man. They hit it really hard.
The water's moving a lot. It's a little cold.
Yeah.
But I'm surprised they're still hitting it though.
Bro, they do it more now than they ever can do. I'm telling you, bro. At night is my favorite time. That's where and they're usually your average goes up of what size they are. That's a good size right there, dude.